Hey, what's going on there? Youth Pastor Paul Turner here from thediscipleproject.net here with another video for today. And I'm in a completely different location because tonight we're doing escape rooms. That's right, escape rooms. And I tell you, I tried to buy different escape room, store-bought stuff. It just didn't work for me. It wasn't what I was looking for. It didn't expand to be able to, have more people participate if you had large groups. Anyway, I went ahead and I just did my own. So tonight, let me just show you right here. I have puzzle bundle number 1, puzzle bundle number 2, and puzzle bundle number 3. Bundle number 3, but I like bunda too. Puzzle bunda. Anyway, so I have 2 rooms. There'll probably be about 4 to 5 students per room, and each of these puzzle bundles will have 3 puzzles in them. And this escape room is going to be a little bit different because this is a Bible escape room. So when I put it together, I'm using Paul and Silas as the journey, if you will. And each of the bundles, bundle 1, 2, and 3, tell the story, or different pieces of the story. So it actually tells the story in 3 different kinds of ways through different kinds of puzzles. So let's go ahead and take a look at puzzle bundle number 1. All right, and this is puzzle bundle number 1. And you can see here I have a photo that I've cut up into pieces. So it is a puzzle they have to put together. And then they have to solve it. If they solve it, they can open this up. And if they think they got it right, they open it up and it's got a full picture of what that is. And then puzzle number 2, I have 2 riddles, which talk about the 2 main characters of this story, which are Paul and Silas. And then puzzle number 3. Puzzle number 3 is actually Pictionary. So there are things in there that they're going to have to draw for their teammates, and they have to guess what those words are, and they all have to do with the story. Let's head on over to puzzle bundle number 2. All right, this is puzzle bundle number 2, and I have some different things going on in here. Similar though, I have a phrase here that they have to, I've cut out little squares there they can put together. I have an uh-oh puzzle in parentheses there because they're, I believe that when the earthquake happened in the old prison there may have been some rocks falling. So I got some things that they're going to have to deal with there. And then after they complete puzzle number 1 right here, I go ahead and give them so they can compare and say, well, did I get that correct or not get it correct? And then I got some dice which go along with that. All right, that is number 2. Let's move on to number 3. All right, and this is puzzle bundle number 3. And you can see here, this is going to be a scripture scramble. They're going to have to unscramble this, but you can see here, I made it a little bit different. They're going to have to unfold some things. I have a word search. I have answers to that, so they have to open that up to make sure that they got that correct. And then I have a little thing here called Find the Jailer. So there's all kinds of things that are going along with the theme of Paul and Silas, and you're actually learning a lesson as you're going along. They're going to discover some things, some scriptures, and so forth. So yeah, this is puzzle bundle number 3. All right, and that is my escape room. Once again, I didn't unpack everything because it's happening tonight, so I didn't want to unpack everything. But listen, if you were interested in this, the normal price for a escape room type game is about $15. If you go to your local Barnes and Nobles or places like that, you can buy one for $15. I'm gonna have this up in my store for $12 for a limited time. I'm gonna put it up there and I'm gonna give you a video with detailed instructions about how to do your own escape room using Bible stories. And so if you're interested in that, I'm going to put a link down in the description below. I hope that you are interested in that because, but tell you what, it's going to be great tonight, I believe. The kids are going to have a lot of fun. Your kids will have a lot of fun if you do these Bible escape rooms. So it's like a message, except it's super active. They're learning as they go, and they're going to learn the story of Paul and Silas. And so if that is something of interest to you in your youth ministry, grab yourself a Bible escape room. Once again, you get all the documents. You're going to get a detailed description of what I use for each one of those. I'm going to show little videos, and you're going to get all that together. So if that is of interest to you, click the link down below. But that's it, guys. I would love to hear from you. What do you think? Have you done escape rooms? Have you done Bible escape rooms? I'd love to hear your comments. Leave them down below. And don't forget, if you're not a subscriber yet, go and click that subscribe button and you'll get videos like this in your inbox on a regular basis. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Let's mean you like the video and you want more of them. So that is it for today, guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.